Hey friends, if you wish to use ChatGPT for translation, then it's very easy. All you need to do is as follows. Go to ChatGPT, okay, and then you can type translate to Spanish, and then type the weather is great and hit enter. Okay, I mean whatever text you wish to translate, it will think for a while and then it will translate. We'll have to wait till then. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.